This spring means freeing up and becoming lighter, becoming more flexible, more agile. And because I was in ill health last year with bladder cancer, so it's part of my healing process, really.
Spring means new life, hope and colour, lushness of leaves and swilling breeze.
Fertility, renewal, growth, the end of one season, the beginning of another, chance to start over, like plants do.
Breathe up through those roots. Move your breath from the soles of your feet, up through your calves and thighs. Feel the breath move through your legs up to the core of your body. Let your tree grow up through your ribs and shoulders. And with your out-breath, relax your arms and neck.
Interesting fact of bumblebees, bumbles are solitary bees. However, you've got different bees that obviously they go round.
You meet a lot of people and they're either burnt out or they're bored, and there seems to be these two extremes that somehow the modern world has kind of forced people into. And I've found that at different stages in my life. I'm either burnt out or I'm bored, and I think a lot of people, and they both lead to dysfunctional things like poor sleep or lots of different things like that, don't they? So if you can somehow find this evening out, again we're coming back to balance, aren't we, but ensuring that people aren't.
Real look of kind of what parts interest you, and get your viewfinder out and use that to frame your little section. Yeah. Choose somewhere that you connect with that gives you kind of the ingredients you want for these to work for you.
I think one of the things about this as well is that I'm sort of coming out of a long phase of chronic illness as well, which has been coming to an end quite slowly, like it does. I think I became so focused on meditation and various aspects of self-healing that, I think I sort of became a bit disinvolved with life itself, and became quite self-absorbed. I guess I haven't maybe used those parts of my brain for quite some time, Creativity is important, and I think it's sort of shown me another part of myself I need to sort of activate again, really, that part of me, yeah.
But I do find that my mood lifts quite a bit when the sun starts to come out and the trees start to green. It's almost as if when I see the buds starting to come up, I know that my mood will change and I'll start to feel better.